here's how you can find iPhone information. So let me explain it all. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on what information we are going after, but mostly it's going to be found in the settings when you click on the general section, and there you can go to the about. In there, you can see the iOS version, and you can see the model name. So in my case, it's iPhone 15, and even more things like the model number, serial number. You can go below and click on the coverage, so you can essentially see if the warranty is still in place, right? So it kind of depends on what the information is, but you can mostly find it in the about section. You could do more research, basically. Like if you, for example, click on the model number and I click on the, like there is this shorter one, like A3090, and you can copy that. And if you look that up into Google search, literally, you'll be able to see more information about your specific device. So you'll be able to see your like perhaps the Apple website where every single thing is listed about that phone, or even third-party sources where all of the information and reviews are going to be about your specific device. So you'll be able to browse like all of the technical specs and everything about the phone based on the model number. One more thing though, you can also copy the serial number and check out the place on the internet, which is the checkcoverage.apple.com. It's like the official Apple's website where you can paste the serial number and get information about things like the coverage, as I've shown you before as well. But you also get the specific purchase date, which is also another piece of information which you might be looking for. So that is what you can basically do. Obviously, more things like information about the storage and other things can be found on the iPhone, but this is probably the most common thing that people are looking for. So let me know about that below if I actually managed to let you find what you needed. Thanks a lot for your feedback. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hopefully get to see you later in the future tutorials too.